Yep.
No, it was black and white. Report is red.
You know what?
Did you have it on record? You don't know.
Pan over. Get this. Come up as that boat comes up. Come up a little bit with it. A little wider on the angle. And just come to the right.
I'm sorry. I don't know what's going on with the camera.
Is it recording? Don't force it. Let the wind come. Fall off a little bit. You're trying to pinch it, Scott. Fall off a little. Now trim it. There you go. Finish of the B fleet. What is up? Now he's in there bad air. There you go, Scott. You were in his bad air for a while, that's all. Good job, good job. We're gonna get another race off here in a second. Scott, your main needs to come in some more. The jib needs to come in just a little bit. Just a little bit on that. Right, just come right to me as fast as you can and then tack. Pinch it. You're starting to pinch. Come down this way just a little bit. Yep. Get some speed. Get some speed. Your main can come in a little bit, I think. That's it. Yep. Okay. Tack it. Cool.
What's the matter? What are we ready?
Dude, it's just, you know what? We're going to get you on tape. Everybody say, clean the bottom, Martin.
Clean the bottom, Martin.
Clean the bottom, Martin.
Clean the bottom, Martin.
There. You guys are in the slowest boat in the fleet. It's not any of your faults. But boat, you get the fastest boat next week. Coming up on 1 minute till the start. Sorry, multitasking. All clear. Nice start, Andrea. Hey Dave, I forgot to tell you, no port starts, but that's okay. Now come up, Andrea, start coming up, come up. Come up, bring it up into the wind, pull it towards you. Smile, David. Highly unlikely. All right, push the bow down a little bit. Bow down, you're pinching a little bit. Everybody in the cockpit looks really good. Pull the tiller towards you a little. Tiller towards you, yep. Just hold it right there. Let the bow come down. There you go. You got that big jib. That'll help you right there. There you go. And just try and stay out of people's bad air. We'll explain bad air over drinks. Just remember, it's not your fault.
Mark, clean at the bottom of the boat. I want a new captain.
No, it's not Scott's fault. Guess what? When Scott had the green boat, he was crushing everybody.
I don't know, in a heavy wind, this boat won. Must be a couple more weeks of harvest.
Well, it's just that one probably hasn't, that one hasn't been cleaned in since the last go around. They haul it and paint the bottom, but see, now we've got documentation. Nice, you guys look really great though. Everything else looks great. If you were in a better boat. Are they around the mark already?
Mm-hmm.
Oh man. See, Ken has been watching the videos.
Mm.
Ken has been watching the Audi Med Cup.
Oh my gosh, the boat is just like moving. Sorry.
It's okay. You know what it is? You need to brace yourself. I think that's the key.
want to do that. You want to be picking those easy, you know.
Oh,
Stand by when you turn.
good point.
Stand by. Turn around.
Hold on one second.
And this is the two boats going around the mark.
Got it? Oh, thanks, God. You know what? I don't think this is focusing down there. That doesn't look focused to me. It looks out of focus, no?
No, sorry.
It's okay?
I think it's the light.
Okay, maybe it's just my eyes.
Mm-hmm.
Now they're lured boat. They have right of way. You might want to either just head up a little bit, so push the tiller away from you, or you can just hold your course. Looks like they're going to clear you. Beautiful, nicely done. Yeah, hang on. You know what? It's harder to jibe with the main in like that.
Maybe he's going to the line. He's going to
Yeah, there you go. Just let it out some more, Andrea. It'll, hold on, I got to get the finisher here. Now. Good job, Ken. Okay, these guys still have their jib in way too tight. Nice.